I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to close your Truist account, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your account number, personal identification, and any linked accounts handy. This will help speed up the process. Step 2. Clear your balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issuer.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm the deadline. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call Truist customer service at their official number or use the chat feature on their website. Request to close your account and follow their instructions. Step 4. Confirm closure. Once your request is processed, ask for confirmation of the account closure. This could be a confirmation email or a reference number for your records. Step 5. Monitor your statements. Keep an eye on your email or online banking for any final statements. This ensures there are no unexpected fees or transactions after closure. Closing your account can feel daunting, but following these steps should make it a breeze. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Good luck!